I'm Johnny McGuire, Director here at Numac Fabrications. We supply a range of compactors, skips and hook lift containers throughout the UK and Ireland. We've recently started a new trailer division which includes dump trailers and low loaders. Here at Numac we employ over 50 staff, which includes service engineers, welders, painters and design engineers. The reason we looked at Fieldmotion is we wanted a system that streamlined the process in the office and out on the field. We needed a system that helped track our planned maintenance jobs, manage our stock levels and get the paperwork back from our service engineers. Once we started using Fieldmotion, we could see the benefits straight away. It gives us visibility of our up and coming maintenance jobs, which means we can plan ahead of time. It's improved our stock ordering as we can easily see what's needed. Invoice can now be generated as soon as the engineers complete their jobs. We've been using Fieldmotion now for over 10 years. We originally used it for our service engineers, but now we're using it in our production facility. We're now working with Fieldmotion to see where we can expand the system to other areas of the business and looking forward to working with them in the future.